Hello all my dear student friends. Let us study isometric projection. Now in isometric projection, all the three dimensions of an object can be seen simultaneously. So that is the advantage of the isometric projection, that the object will look like a picture and it will be easy for us to visualize the various dimensions of the object, to visualize the shape and size of the object in a more clear manner. Now this is the picture or the isometric projection of a cube. So this object known as the cube is well known. You know that all the dimensions, all the sides of the cube are equal, all the faces are equal. Cube is having 6 faces, it is having 12 edges, all these edges are equal. Now whenever the cube is placed in such a way that one of its solid diagonal is perpendicular to the plane of projection, then the projection which we obtain is called as the isometric projection. Now in this picture you can see this isometric projection of a cube, and this point represent the projection of the solid diagonal which is perpendicular to the plane of projection. Now this cube is having several faces, several edges. So we can see few of the edges, and the edges which cannot be seen are these 3 edges which were not be seen. Dotted edges are seen now, and total edges are 12. So we have 4 vertical edges. These are the 4 vertical edges of the cube. Then the 4 horizontal edges which are parallel to each other, and remaining 4 horizontal edges which are again parallel to each other. So we are having 8 horizontal edges and 4 vertical edges, total 12 edges are there. So when this is the position of the cube such that one of the solid diagonal is perpendicular to the plane of projection, then you see the view, the projection known as the isometric projection. And if you look at this projection, what you can see is that the horizontal dimensions are aligned at 30 degrees to the horizontal line. So there are 2 horizontal dimensions. One horizontal dimension you can say parallel to the length, another horizontal dimension you can say parallel to the width. So all the horizontal dimensions parallel to the length are parallel to each other, all the horizontal dimensions you can say parallel to the width are parallel to each other. So we are having 2 set of horizontal dimensions. So one set of horizontal dimension which is parallel to the length is aligned at 30 degrees to the right, and another set is aligned at 30 degrees to the left, as you can see in this particular picture. Now let us take one more picture, and this is again the isometric view of one object, and this isometric view is drawn in such a way that this is the length of the object, this is the height of the object. H stands for the height of the object and W stands for the width of the object. Let us assume the dimensions: length 100 mm, height 50 mm, and width to be 80 mm of this particular object. Now the front view, side view and top view will be such that the red color portion will be seen as the front view, blue color portion will be seen as the top view, and yellow color portion will be seen as the left hand side view. Now these are the orthographic projections: front view, top view and left hand side view. So this will be given to you. Whenever you want to draw the isometric projection, the orthographic projections will be given to you along with the point O, which is shown here. This is the point O. You can see in the front view, this is the point O in the top view, this is the point O in the left hand side view. So this is given, and from this you have to draw the isometric projection, which is shown here in this picture. This is the isometric projection, and from this orthographic projection you have to draw the isometric projection. So whenever you draw the isometric projection, you start from the point O, that is the origin, and the length, say to the right of the point O, is drawn at 30 degrees to the right, and the width is drawn at 30 degrees to the left. Height is drawn vertical. Height is vertical, it is kept vertical only. Only thing is that all the dimensions are reduced proportionately. So in this way the isometric drawing is prepared. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you.